Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you or telling you guys which fidgets I would definitely recommend and not recommend in school. So I guess we can get started. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, so I guess we can get started. Number one, poppets. Huge distraction. They just make big clicking sounds. And like if you're doing a test and you're like playing with like a poppet, your teacher will probably take it away from you. I don't blame her. They make huge noises. So poppets is a no. Now number two, infinity cube. It is very quiet. It's not one of my favorite fidgets, but I would recommend it for school. It's really quiet. It's very, your teacher's not going to be like, stop playing with it. You're just going to be like, just mind your own business. And it's not loud. It's not clicky. It's not noisy. It's just, it can be like little clicks, but, if you just keep to yourself, it's not going to be that loud. And number three, we have mochis. Yes, they could be recommended, but they can get all sandy. Like for an example, these are super sandy. I don't know if you could see that on camera, but they are very sandy. So it's kind of like a yes and a no. I don't know, up to you, but for me, I would not recommend them. If you just keep it in your desk all day, then yeah. But if you're like bringing it everywhere you go, then it's a no. So I kind of recommend them, like 50 to 50. Number four fidget is monkey noodle. Definitely a no. They're like so distracting, and they can like whap you. That's what a monkey noodle can do. And they're like so distracting. It's very easily to whack people with them. So this one is definitely a no. This is not recommended, definitely. Okay. Number five is Simple Dimple. These are definitely a yes. They do not make that much noise. They're like little clicks. But like, it's not like your classroom's gonna be full silence. Like if you're just like, in reading class, just so stressed, just click it. And if you like don't make really much sound, some of them don't make sound, some of them do. But I'm not really sure. But this one does make sound. So these would be recommended if I say so. Number six is like fidget cubes and stuff like this. So these are a yes, because if you they're like super cool, you'd be like clicking them, rolling it. This one's like super clicky. This one in the back, swirl it, click it. Yeah. So these would be a yes. Is this side one too? Yeah. And these, oh no. Like if you drop them on your desk, like these rattling noises, I'm gonna show you. Mind my own business in class. The teacher's gonna be like, come on, just put it away. It's just too much distracting. So these are definitely a no. Now these are definitely a yes if you don't lose them. But besides that, they're super good. They're so tiny. They don't make any noise. Super tiny. And they're just so perfect, to roll around in your hands, smush them. They're just really cool. Now these, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, these are definitely not recommended. They can slide all over your classroom in the middle of like a test. It just rolls around on your floor, or the floor of the classroom. Yeah, it's a big no. But you can like use the wheels as a stress. That is good. But at the same time, these are a no. So these are not recommended. Marble Mashers on #1 list. They are so good. They're so they're not tiny or big. They're so tiny, so quiet, and they're just like so stress relieving. They're just so good. So if you have lots of Marble Mashers at home, bringing them to school, they are 100% recommended. So yeah, guys, that's the end. And like I said in the beginning, no, I didn't. I don't think I did. But if you did, if you haven't subscribed, like, shared, or hit the notification bell, please do so. Bye.